Alright, welcome back to the channel, T5 the Traveler with Becky the Trekkie. It's time for another flat ride and review. This time it's going to be do-si-do. Grab your partner, round and round she goes. Right there, and that's going to be right here in, where are we at?
We're in the county fair.
County fair, that's correct. So the county fair area has all the county type rides, funnel cakes. They've got the Spinia, electro spin over there, and then do-si-do's right over here. Behind us, they've got a drink station to the left. And we'll bring you on board the ride, and we'll see what it looks like on the ride. Guess we're going to the back, Becky. Here we go. Maybe. Hurry. Okay. Oh, no good. Seat unavailable. That's okay. There's more. Listen. I don't know which way it goes. Yeah? I think you'll be leaning on me in this direction. That should be fine. Switch pockets here.
Hang on a click.
Full sun. Extra fun. Alright. Drag it on over, boy. This is a hot tamale.
3, 2, 1. Okay, I got a click.
In the background. Thank you. And then it goes to the electronic. Do-si-do is operating. These guys are having a good time. Okay, let's hope this does it. Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute here. I may have underestimated this. Oh, did you feel that jolt?
Yes.
Oh, boy. I mean, shooky. Yeah, Oh, it's a jolter. We got all the weight on this side. We're riding double, and we got two big guys on this side ahead of us. We may have underestimated our weight. We're gonna get a good ride out of this. The hydraulics are screaming for dear life, and I now know why. Woo! She's a runner. I mean, more so than I would have guessed. Who would have thought? Do-si-do, if you want a nice flat ride. I bet at night when this is lit up, it's actually pretty sweet. So this might be worth a night ride. I wouldn't say if the stomach's feeling it to go on this, but if you're good, if you're feeling good, this is a good one. Oh, see? See, it struggles when it shifts positions just a touch. But yeah, nice. Seem to have a nice, nice little ride on it. Yeah. Coming in for a landing. We'll give you a clap on that. There, back in. Seat belt. Don't pull it, I'm trying to unlock. There we go, now you can get out. Secure loose items. Swings when you get out, everybody. There she swings. Where's the hat? Where's our hat? There it is. Okay, we'll tell you what we think here in just a minute. We gotta get our gear. Ready? Alright. Alright, just coming off of do-si-do. I gotta say, I had a great ride on that one. What'd you think, Becky?
Yeah, me too. Definitely has some speed there once the ride gets going. But the car that we had was like swinging way back and forth, but still a really fun ride.
I had a great ride on there. We loaded heavy on one side. It was a couple of riders ahead of us. and there were no people in the train on the other side or on the ride on the other side, so it really kind of gave us a little jolt as the hydraulics were like pumping you up as you go there. So it really worked out for a nice ride. The operator is great. He does this like "Welcome to Do-Si-Do." He like sings it when it starts. He gets into character. It's really one of the best parts of this park are the attendants. They really are great. We've had a great time with them over a several day trip. Be on the lookout for more videos. If you just happen to catch this one, there'll be a lot on the channel. Check out our playlist for other ride reviews. We do other things like food reviews, buffets, cruise ships, all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in subscribing and you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button for us. It helps a great deal. Thank you to all our new subscribers we see out there. If we met you in the park, leave us a comment, let us know. Met a lot of nice people in the park on this trip as well. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you all very soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.